Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'll help you how to fix a Spotify payment failed problem. So guys, when you try to purchase Spotify premium or you want to change your payment method on your Spotify and you are facing this issue that the payment failed, please try again or use a different payment method. So guys, I'll help you how can you fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix it. First of all guys, you need to go back, and guys, now you need to make sure that you have entered correct number, your card number, and after this guys, you need to check your expiry date. And guys, if your card is expired, you need to change your card, and if your card is not expired, then guys, you need to contact with your financial institute, means with your bank, and tell them they need to on online transaction or international transaction. So guys, simply you have to open your bank app and you need to enable international transaction or online transaction, and after this your problem will be fixed. So guys, after this, if still not fix your problem, maybe you have purchased many of online things on your debit or credit card and you have reached your limit, and check your purchase limits on your card. If your limit has been completed, then guys, you need to change your card or you need to wait. And guys, if still not fix your problem and you not reached at the limit of your card, then guys, no need to worry, you have to open an internet browser. And guys, after opening your browser, here you need to search Spotify, as you can see, Spotify support. So guys, after searching it, you need to search this on your device, and guys, you need to contact with Spotify support team. You have to tell all the problem that you're facing again and again, and they will review your problem and they will fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.